Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creatingwithali.com, and I'm super excited as I have a brand new card class for you to take. Now this one is for those of you who are still wanting some last minute stocking and stuffer gifts, and so these ones are all about gift card holders, money holder, and you're going to be able to create 10 of these. And as you can see, it features the gorgeous Be Jolly stamp set, which if you have not seen this one, it is this cute stamp set. It has those cute images that you can color. And also for my sentiments, I decided to go with the Christmas to Remember, mainly because I just love the set and all the sentiments. So anyway, but let's just talk about the two different options. Like I mentioned, this class is for you to make 10 gift card holders, so it's 2 of each. And so the option 1 is for those of you who wants to get the make and take to make all 10 cards, gift card holders. Now that option also includes a pack of the red rhinestones basic jewels, also a full pack of the Playful Pets Trim combo pack, and also half of a pack of the designer series paper, the Heartwarming Hugs designer series paper, which go really well with this stamp set. Now that option is $49 plus $9 shipping, and it includes a tracking number as well as insurance, so you can always track it. Now, like I mentioned at the very beginning, the schedule or the deadline is really tight, mainly because I want to be shipping this one really quick, like somewhere in between December 4th, if not earlier. So the last time to get, or the last day to sign up for the make and take is going to be November 30th. So that's a Tuesday, and I'm hoping to ship everything by that Saturday, which is December 4th. Now, for this card class, you're going to be needing both of these stamp sets. So I'll have also an option for you to add these both. This one you can substitute with any other stamp set sentiments that you have. Although this one is just beautiful and it goes really well with the gift card holders. But this one definitely you need to have, because if you see the projects, all of them are using some of the images from here. So definitely you need to be having the Be Jolly to complete the cards. Now I'll have in my registration form a way for you to add any of this. You can add 1 or 2. And the other thing is that I'm also adding adding an option if you want me to add on one of the tier tapes, because this is the one that we use for all the gift card holders. So if you don't have this adhesive, make sure you add it on to your class packet so that I can mail it to you. So like I said, you also get the PDF with the pictures as well as the measurements, so that you can recreate all of these gift card holders for any other occasions. And of course, there's always a video tutorial. All my classes are video tutorials, mainly because you can see a step-by-step, how do I color, how do I put the cards together, and so I feel like you get more value that way. So anyway, so that's option 1. Option 2 is for those that that do not need me to send anything, because you already have the paper, the stamp set, the ribbon, the gems, everything. You just want the instructions to go ahead and start making them. That option is available at my store at creatingwithali.com, and creatingwithali.com/shop, and I'll put here in the description a link to get the PDF tutorial so that you can download it right away as soon as you purchase it. So anyway, one thing I forgot to mention, for those of you who wants the make and take, make sure you email me at ali@creatingwithali.com so that I can send you the registration form. I cannot put the registration link in the description, but I can mail it to you. Or even better, just get into my mailing, in my mail distribution, which is download link in the description where it says bit.ly / stay in touch with Ali. That way you get my weekly emails, weekly inspirations for more cards, some free tutorials, and then of course then you'll get all the registration forms, so that every time I release a new class you already have a way to sign up right away. So anyway, so that's it for me. I hope you get excited. I feel like this one is just really cute, and like I said, this is gonna help you make all those last minute gifts that you need to provide. And like I said, I'm going to be mailing it the first week in December so that you have a good week, 2 weeks to finish them. They're all very easy. The packets will have everything scored, so you just need to stamp, color, and assemble. That way you can have all your stocking stuffers ready for December 24. So anyway, so thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.